welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to make Ube Cheese Pandesal. If you're ready to share some love in the kitchen, let's get cooking. Sa recipe ko na to ay gumamit pala ako ng all-purpose flour and bread flour. Pinag-combine ko sila, making it 3 cups each. So 6 cups in total. Then I put my sugar, salt, and also, kanina, pinaghalo ko yung warm water and instant yeast. But actually, pwede nyo na idiretso since instant yeast naman siya. Then, I put 2 eggs, evaporated milk. Then, I use lard. Pwede rin naman butter. And then, I put my Ube Halaya, mga 3/4 cup din yun. And then, 3 teaspoons of Ube Flavoring to give it extra flavor. Then, let's mix them all together. Once everything is well combined, then it is ready for kneading. Lightly dust the kneading area with flour, and then grease your hands with lard, and then knead the dough until smooth. For this process, siguro mga 10 to 12 minutes ko rin siyang ginawa. And then, if you're curious to know kung paano malalaman if your dough is ready, then all you have to do is just use your finger, and then once it bounces back, it means it's elastic and it's ready for proofing. Then grease your bowl with some oil, and then let's rest it. Just cover it with kitchen towel or cling wrap. Let it rest for 1 hour. Sa point na to, pinrepare ko na ang mga cheese cubes natin. So, I used the quick melt one. And also the breadcrumbs. As you can see, it doubled its size. Now, we should punch it to release the air. And then once na mawala na yung air, then we can do this. I form a log, and then I cut it into 3 parts. Then each part, I cut it for 12 pieces. Lightly grease your baking pan, and then now you can put your Ube Halaya filling and your cheese. You can also use the regular cheese if you prefer, but I want the quick melt cheese for this. Now, roll your Ube Cheese Pandesal into your breadcrumbs, and then we have to proof it again for 30 minutes before we bake it for 15 to 18 minutes using 175 degrees Celsius. There you have it. Okay, di ba ang dali lang niyang gawin? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is Dolliecious Cravings again, saying no hate, just love. Thanks for watching.